I can show you the world. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I know, right? I'm not anymore. I do these videos every single day, and hopefully in hopes that I can answer the one question that everyone wants to know, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? Due to my law enforcement background, I feel like I can answer just about any question law enforcement related that comes my way. Sometimes. Today is no different. I'm doing this video. I do them every single day. Today's comes from police activity. It is titled What's going on with me this morning? Los Angeles police open fire as burglary suspect drives toward them. Alright, I've never seen this. I'm walking in blindly, reacting rawly. North Carolina. Here we go.
7 George 2 eastbound on Santa Monica, approaching La Brea. License plate gonna be
Wow, that was close.
blue Mercedes. Multiple occupants. George 2 eastbound.
Damn.
George 2 dead end. We're gonna be at a dead end on Oakwood.
If that was the cop that fired those shots, those are not justified unless he saw one of them pointing a weapon at him as they drove by. That was not close enough to be able to articulate that you were in fear for your life, simply put. So those shots fired, not good based on what I'm looking at.
7 George 2 shots fired. George 2 dead end. We're gonna be at a dead end on Oakwood.
So they're running Baker. There's two of them in the patrol car. Yeah, again. Again.
George 2 shots fired.
I don't agree with those shots at all.
George 2 dead end.
Also, dude, hell yes, I just realized this is a Crown Vic, which is the greatest police car ever made.
We're gonna get a dead end on Oakwood. Watch out!
Nah. Not a justified shooting at all.
7 George 2 shots fired.
20 incident commander. Units are 800 dead in Oakwood.
That's them.
Oh, yeah, that's them. They just caught air.
Oh, shoot. Slow 17, we're going to be primary pursuit, traveling westbound on Oakwood.
I think that the cop who advised of shots fired should articulate that it was he who fired the shots, not the suspect, just to eliminate any confusion.
Eastbound, man.
I got a bill ready for shirt southbound on the island west side of the street. Black and white. That's head on. I'm going to use my life.
Right there, that's one.
I know.
That's one.
There's a black and white behind us. We stay with the suspect.
We are through Van Ness. Clear right.
TC.
TC, I don't know.
Do you see him?
He's running. Get eyes on the car.
I got a runner.
Remember,
Grab her.
best to stay in the patrol car as long as
Get on
possible.
the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground.
I would have stayed in the patrol car.
Just off of Beverly west side of the street.
Get ready. Do you see him?
What's the location?
He's running. Get eyes on the car.
Beverly,
I got a runner.
down there. Smith Upper Bill location.
Grab her.
DC Beverly East of Van Ness. Bill.
Get on the fucking ground.
Damn, this is a fast-ass cop. Because that suspect, he was pretty damn quick.
I got the left.
I got his right one. Someone get close. Hey, someone grab an arm.
We got it. There you go. Got it. We got it.
All right, let's clear the waistband.
Okay.
Got a runner.
Yeah, like I said, I just don't agree with the shots fired. That cop cannot, even if it was the passenger, he cannot articulate that he was in fear for his life. The suspect vehicle, you could tell, was trying to miss the patrol car completely. So firing those shots, not good. Not good in my opinion. Remember, these are my opinions. I'm just going off what I see. I don't think it was very good. That cop was fast as fuck, though. Holy shit. I give the cops a D for firing those shots. Very dangerous. Very reckless, I would say. Excuse my voice. Still getting over my cough. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Yucky. All right, bye.